Hey, good afternoon, guys. John with the New York Metro Weather. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Friday. Staying cool out there. It's very hot again today. Feeling like the upper 90s right now as we go into the afternoon across New Jersey and the New York City metro area. Warming up into the afternoon, and it's going to be very hot and humid. A little better than yesterday, but today, Friday, still very hot and humid. It's kind of a shame because otherwise it's a beautiful day out there. Just a couple of fair weather clouds as we go through the afternoon. Not expecting any showers and storms in the New York City metro today. And most of the mid-Atlantic states also experiencing a really nice afternoon. So the heat will be the story tonight, and models suggest that as we go into the overnight time frame, it's actually going to stay really warm into Saturday morning. There's not really much threat for precipitation in New York City. We could see a couple of storms later tonight in South Jersey if you're heading down there, but in the New York City metro, not expecting much impactful weather. The main thing is going to be the heat and humidity, and that's going to build into Saturday again. The model data suggesting we're up into the 90s and feeling like the triple digits again on Saturday afternoon. So again, stay hydrated, keep an eye on those sensitive groups, children, the elderly, pets, and just take it easy out there this afternoon and again on Saturday. Now, Saturday, we've gotten a lot of questions about this. There's a big Beyonce concert and everyone's very worried about it. So here's the forecast. It's not ideal, but it's also not terrible, so bear with us. So model data suggests that a cold front is going to be pushing through the area on Saturday afternoon. And the atmosphere is going to be pretty unstable. It's going to be warm. It's going to be humid. And so on Saturday afternoon, we're expecting the development of some showers and storms, specifically between the hours of 4 and 8 p.m. Now, these will push through at some point. They're not going to be in a long line that's going to hit everyone. Instead, it looks like they're going to be broken up into groups as they come through. I'll zoom in on the New York City metro here to show you and give you an idea. Here's one model simulating 5 o'clock p.m. on Saturday. So we have a couple of scattered storms around the area, Connecticut getting hit, North Jersey, and down into central and southern New Jersey. And these storms eventually do come through the New York City metro. This is simulated around 6 o'clock. But these are scattered. They're not a huge coherent line of storms. So they're kind of, it's going to come down to what it looks like on Saturday to see exactly what's going to happen in the New York City metro. So again, the atmosphere is unstable. It's going to be warm. It's going to be humid, and we're going to have these storms coming through during the afternoon. So we're going to need to keep an eye on this all through Saturday. Storm Prediction Center says level 2 out of 5. That's a slight risk right here in yellow for storms that could produce severe wind gusts, heavy rain, and lightning. So again, it's hot, it's humid on Saturday, and then we have these scattered storms coming through in the evening. Now, the models say they're south of New York City by around 8, 9 o'clock, and they push away from the area after that. So for the concert, it's going to be a close call. We're going to have to keep an eye on these as they come through the New York City metro. There could be some disruptions. We're going to have to watch it, but they will sink south of the area as we get closer to 8, 9 o'clock. At least that's what the current models suggest on Saturday afternoon and evening. So the forecast for Saturday is hot and humid. These storms come through, and then we look ahead to Sunday, and the models suggest we're going to finally undergo the change that we've been waiting for. Here are the dew points simulated on Saturday, and look just how oppressive these are in the mid-70s with that heat. Very uncomfortable, but here comes some relief. This is Sunday morning and afternoon. Models dropping those dew points down into the 50s, which will feel amazing compared to where we've been. And then if we roll this forward even further into early next week, they get down into the 50s on Monday and Tuesday again with that frontal boundary sinking through. Again, I can't stress enough. I want to show you guys the difference between right now and early next week, and just watch this front sink southward on Sunday and then into Monday. And it brings much more manageable air into the area by the early middle part of next week. So we're going to get through the next couple of days. Again, it's hot and humid today. The forecast for Saturday is for scattered storms in the afternoon. We're going to have to keep a really close eye on those, and then it gets much, much better out there Sunday into Monday and Tuesday. We will have updates for you throughout the day on Saturday. If the storms are coming through and they do look like they're going to be widespread, we will live stream, so make sure you follow us on YouTube for that. Stay tuned. We'll have a lot more updates coming for you. Thanks for watching, guys.